Ibas, ibas, Bruniga, aliga na ibas. Ibas, ibas, Koobda, aliga na ibas.
Here's Ali Adier. If he takes it down, he might score. He's going to score.
Do you know what? I was just about to say to you, we're just about reaching the time when Thomas Rosicky stepped in at the weekend. It's a lovely ball through and a lovely diagonal run from Ali Adier.
Aurelio looking for his first goal for Liverpool. Comes out to Luis Garcia and turned in by Robbie Fowler, 1-1. Julio Batista has got a glint in his eyes. He's got a shot past Dudek, he's got a goal.
He's got a smile on his face to go with that glint in the eye. The goalkeeper just hasn't moved. I mean, it didn't when he hit it. Look, a brilliant free kick. It's just amazing.
Scorer for Arsenal on the line, Batista.
And it's another one. Song, and would you believe it, in the Carling Cup, following their FA Cup win, the scoreline's the same here. And we're still in the first half of this one. Batista. And there's no flag. Arsenal are in again. Batista, 4!
Well, they've tucked a big, massive hole in that right side of the defence again. This is beyond Arsene Wenger and Arsenal's wildest dreams, and I mean that.
Walcott. Yeah,
that's a penalty.
It is a penalty.
Yeah,
Sami Hyypiä on Jeremy Ali Adier. In the 12th minute of the second half. And he saved it. So Dudek repairs a bit of the damage. Here goes Ali Adier. He's had a bit of a lean time, certainly as an Arsenal player. He's been out on loan. Julio Batista from further out does find the bottom corner, and he has got his hat-trick. And he's feeling distinctly better about life, and that would surely put it beyond Liverpool's redress.
Well, he scored, but Ali Adier's contribution to this goal was absolutely top drawer. I have to say, it's one of those nights for Arsenal fans who will be able to see the 1,300 that have come up here tonight. I was here. I went that night.
It's Paletta. Gerrard! Gerrard! Oh, he's turned onto the bar by Almunia. Fowler's in there.
What a good save.
It says there's just over 10 minutes. There's a good chunk of added time as well. And Sami Hyypiä gets another one back for Liverpool. Brilliant. Nifty footwork. That's by Hoyt though. It goes long. And that's not the worst ball by any means.
If it stays in, it's not, Mark, I tell you.
Adier fancies his chances against Paletta, and Batista's coming in again. He's got another tap in, and Arsenal have scored 6 at Anfield, and he's got 4 of them. Julio Batista.
He's had a wonderful night, Ali Adier. Started it off with a goal, and then just rolls that across and says, "Good night, boys." The comeback is short-lived. Have yourself a 4th, and it's an extraordinary evening of football here at Anfield. Absolutely extraordinary.
haddii aad ka heshay muuqaalkan like sar, haddii aad ku cusub tahayna channelkan subscribe sar, gambaleelkana furo si aad ula socotid muuqaaladeena. Wassalaamu calaykum.